bono kwale kwa bana yolisili bagali okurwa okomochie ngokwale komochie samangana ya gendrete
ngomochie serikali anemo no tenete usalama ya Kenya muske kipichumba murukome nande mno mosae mne kiongozi nande mno tatake tumekurobe gochia saba na njibandi umanye tekero muraya cholwe kirogo nabwate myaka 5 wenda kwa bana njigas but they don't go to work they go to do their family affairs lakini once they were in myaka 5 ya very young they have done anything they will do everything possible to retain the seat but I want to promise the people of Kenya batebiga engaki etore ya bono ya siasa kali engaki yo kufosi omuntu komotebinga vote this way do this way abantu ba very namasomali iguru nande mbale tayari gochora umurai uri obwate vision uri obwate agenda yoko improve the living standards of our people. For instance, tuanyora by election no rekarao. The government did everything, but the people stood with the person they want to lead them pale bunge. Kwa hivyo wananchi wenzangu ngobate binga noena mangana yambo chako genda koreiga ni ria barai batarakoraki batarakore mirimo bate bete ngoros bari chipara ngoros bari chiskuru abana bagende skuru basome abantu ba people living disability babe considered but they have never done anything. No any percentage they are having 20%. So they are doing everything possible to retain the seat. But I want to tell them next year what they do, everything they can do, they must go home if they
barabia bagotei
barabia colegas onde wensi uma tegendo siasa ya nesta ngonya kora I don't do politics yokura momonto osiyo ko checha yomonto I do politics like this way whatever. If you were given the chance you promised you are going to build a road epare yiya chete chibese chiri kwa divert okore binte byao bono kwa road siasa ya very range na nengo ndo promise bintu binde bono kwasimo kigo cha 790 bono kwa lete burukano ne gaiga neri abananchi ba divert ko chia se burukano erinde chikura chiko kwa bakore kuma ite bagota bangango ibabali lakini round ye naona kwa tema mbako tena.
Okay, tigangende sami ekero kuligeli chibichechi kurochi semecho na young leaders ba kwandire nabo igongwaligelia gazeti ya Taifa Leo bagoteba kila muhuni alipata shilingi 1000.
Mwana minto ni era se egento yo kwa boimono ekero kere kunyari kananga abasaya baite inere gasbali una tigete kwa tabali tangani obo ene bwa basaya baito use in our constitution ne wa the provision is kurigelia article 38 article 27 33 37 na article 35 na 55 nere bwate rights chito bunantu aba Kenya kusaba sai right entangani right to vote nto bwato obo ene bolibu yani kuse chinguru choko chorumura yo itokorataki totagete ndo the right to participate in politics siasa yaito lazima to participate na muntu ariko kochorera na yubwene te ko participate nere abantu bako ku freedom yabo ba participate useba baleso umulengo uri bakorteki uri buna bakero umuntu ayigwete asengenje each vision na the mission y'abantu ababwata the right to join a political party or the right to contest for office buno mitoro jase abwate right yae ngaki ekero nakiata tabranga ndale kuboli ekero enini gachuba ward so longachuba ward so ate muneria ate banga erega otisaidiri ngaki right yae ose ororere ngaki oboraibwae asara bakole buyanga ki imara daima nwekero no hakubo dala ndo what a right yo kwasembo una linda mwananchi bachiete kwasembo we have that right ekataligento is not a favor the government yebona toka egazi government is to protect people inga alias mwakwanda kwasembo kusema kwanda ko mutwaro mukutano ino imubwate amangana mochi kokora narali that's why mokwanda mwaye guli rube nganto tete kwasemboga na linda mwananchi izo kuligeli tadi ngabatabu atali rube they went even oyo ndobwe komanyana went baka Homa Bay akaye guli rube aka notify the police izo ndinga nero you notify the police ngangoche tori kutwaro mukutano ga so jira itiyecho that the information to access information usubune information yetokonyora aka ikamuna basa ba kwanire ba we have that right kumanyanga ibirangare byabo ngakibotaki ngakibire so inkita yetagoteba the right to petition the government that's not a crime